Good morning, students. Welcome to New Era Global School online teaching class. This is your Devi ma'am, EVS teacher, and we are going to see the chapter number 6, Animals, Habitat and Adaptation. So, what we have seen up to now? We have seen about the term. What do you mean by habitat? What is an habitat? The place where a particular animal live naturally. It is called as an habitat. Then, what are the classification of animals? There are two classifications are there. One is called as an terrestrial animal and second one is called as an aquatic animal. Right? So what are terrestrial animals? Animals which live on land. They are called as an terrestrial animal. And today we are going to discuss about the desert, mountain areas, polar region and what are called as an aquatic animals. Okay? Then first one, it is called as an desert areas. So desert area, it is an example for the terrestrial. Okay. First we will see what are their physical features. So in desert, these are the areas that receive very little rainfall throughout the year and they are often covered with the sand. So how the desert will be? They will get the rainfall very less. And here the areas they are fully covered with the sand. And during the day they will be very hot. And during night it will be very cool. So what are the animals found here? The animals that live here are camel, scorpion, desert lizards and rattlesnakes. I'm repeating. So desert areas, these areas they receive very little rainfall and they are covered with the sand. So usually during the day it will be very hotter and during night it will be very cold. Okay. Then animals found. What are the animals found in desert? They are camel, scorpion, desert lizards and rattlesnakes. Then mountain regions. So what are the mountain regions? इसका physical natures. So here their tall mountains they are often covered with the snow and they are extremely very cold. So what they are telling here? Here the mountains are fully covered with the snow. So it will be very cold. So here there will be only little vegetation. Vegetation, plants and animals will be very less. And what are the animals found here? Snow leopards, mountain goat and yak. So these are the animals found in the mountain regions. Okay. Then polar regions. So the polar region, they are the very coldest place in the earth. This region they are fully covered with the ice. So it will be very coldest place on their earth. Here also the rainfall will be very little in the polar region. So what are the animals found here? Animals found here are polar bears, Arctic foxes and penguins. We are going to learn about what do you mean by the aquatic animals. So what are the aquatic animals? Animals that live in water. They are called as an aquatic animals. So there are two type of aquatic habitat. What are they? First one, it is called as an freshwater and second one, it is called as an salt water. So what is a freshwater habitat? Here the water is not salty. The water which are not salty, they are called as an freshwater habitat. So which include the freshwater habitat? Ponds, lakes, rivers and streams. They are the examples of freshwater habitat. And what are the animals found here? Fish, crabs, crocodile, turtles and alligators. These are all the example for the aquatic freshwater habitat. I am repeating again, listen. Some water aquatic animals, animals that live in water. They are called as an aquatic animals. So there are two types are there. First one, it is called as an freshwater habitat, and second one, it is called as an saltwater habitat. So what is a freshwater habitat? Water that is not salty. It is called as an freshwater habitat. Ponds, lakes, rivers and streams. So these are all the examples of freshwater habitat. And what are the animals found here? Fish, crabs, crocodiles, turtles and alligators. These are all the examples. Saltwater habitat. So saltwater means what? Water which contain more salt. That is seas and ocean. They are the example for saltwater habitat. Here they cover more than 75% of the earth's surface. You know our earth is covered with 70% of water and 30% of land. So the seas and ocean mostly they occupy 75%. So oceans form the largest saltwater habitat on this planet. So what are the animals found here? Animals include saltwater, fish, whales, sharks, octopus and jellyfish. So these are all the examples of the saltwater habitat. Then, so IBL questions. So today you are going to find the answer for this IBL questions. So what are the physical features of desert? You have to write the physical features of the desert. Second, what are the animals found in the polar regions? What are the animals found in the polar region? It include polar bears, Arctic foxes and penguins, which include the freshwater habitat. So water that is not salty, it is called as an freshwater habitat. Then what are the saltwater physical nature? What are the physical nature? So they cover 75% of the surface of the earth. So try to write these answers in the fair note. We'll continue this class tomorrow.